Hello, class 12th computer science students. I am Atul Gupta and today I am going to explain a new concept of Python, that is string. String simplest definition of string is set of characters or group of characters is known as string. Python strings are characters enclosed in quotes of any type, single quotation mark, double quotation marks and triple quotation marks. Python strings are immutable thing, that is you cannot change the elements of a string in place. String elements are not changed. This form of data type is called immutable data type. Strings are sequence of characters where each character has a unique index. The indexes of a string begin from 0 to length minus 1. This is the range of string index. 0 to length minus 1 in forward direction and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 reverse order to minus length in backward direction. This is the index of string element. For example, a string, that is a word hello, which is enclosed in double quote. Here hello is a string. Its memory representation is HELLO. It is consist of 5 characters. So forward indexing is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is length minus 1. Total number of elements are 5. So length is 5. Then last limit is 5 minus 1, that is 4. And backward indexing is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. That is start from minus 1 up to minus length. Traversing a string. Traversing means to access all the elements of a string. You can traverse a string character by character using the indexes. Traversing refers to iterating through the elements of a string one character at a time. It means all the characters are traversed or accessed one by one. This is called traversing a string. One more form of string is empty string. An empty string is a string that has no character, that is zero character. It is just a pair of quotation mark. It means in quotation mark there is no character. This form of string is called empty string. Now example, to traverse a string you can write a loop like string is a sequence of characters. Now traverse a string, it means one by one character access. So we use a loop. String equal to hello. Hello word is assigned to a string. Now for loop for a variable ch, for ch in string, and inside the for loop body print ch. It means this variable print one character from the string in forward direction. So until the loop is over, each character one character are displayed. Now output of the following code is HELLO. Each character access one by one and string is over. Now example is program in Python to read a string and display it in reverse order. Now in this program we accept a string from the user and display in reverse order. So reverse order concept is used in this program. First we take a string from the user. String equal to input, enter a string. Here the user given a string which is stored in string variable. Length is another variable. Now we use len function to find length of a string which is given by user. Length, now integer value of length is assigned in length variable. Now a for loop is used to print reverse of a string. For I in range length minus 1, this is starting point of string, comma minus 1, this is end point of string, comma minus 1, this is jump. Now the string, if the string given by user is Python, which is stored in memory P Y T H O N, and indexing is as 0 1 2 3 4 5. Now index start from 0 to length minus 1. Length is total length, number of elements are 6, so length minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5. Now we want to print reverse of string, so first character is N O H T Y P in this form. So starting from index 5. 5 means length minus 1, so starting point of loop is length minus 1, and up to 1 by 1 character last range is limit minus 1, that is 0 minus 1 minus 1, and jump is in reverse order 5 then 4 3, this is increasing decreasing form of index, so step is minus 1. Now in each iteration string I is displayed. String I is first displayed 5, string 5 means n, so n is displayed. Then next iteration string 4, so O is displayed, then H, T, Y and P. So output enter a string, user given a string Python, then reverse form of Python is displayed as. This is the concept of to display reverse of a string. Now this program code on the system is look like as. Now the output of the following code is enter a string. User enter a string is Python. Then press enter. Reverse form of string is displayed. This is the concept of reverse of string. Thank you.